Hello and welcome. You are watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Deepika Lingdor bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us first have a look at the headlines for today. Meghalaya Agriculture Minister Bante Lingdor inspects vegetable stalls at Anjali parking lot. Domestic workers hold demonstration with placard at IGB point in Shillong. And East Khasi Hills Deputy Commissioner allows operation of taxis from the 24th of this month. And now the news in detail. Meghalaya Agriculture Minister Bante Lingdor today assured the vegetable sellers at Anjali parking lot in Shillong that he will place the sellers' request to extend the time for selling their agricultural goods at the cabinet meeting to be held tomorrow. Lingdor said this after inspecting the vegetable stalls arranged at Anjali parking lot opposite Anjali Cinema Hall. Speaking to the media, Bante Lingdor said that the vegetable sellers have apprised him on the need to extend the time for buyers and sellers. On the other hand, the vegetable sellers have expressed deep appreciation to the Agriculture Minister for providing the sufficient space to sell their agricultural goods.
Actually, see, I'll tell you why they have to throw out. Because there is no buyers. At the same time, the market is very down. Every season, I'll tell you, in the beginning of May, the rate is very low. I'll tell you, the price is not good. But slowly, once the outside the state, like the state of Assam, Siliguri, is start demanding the vegetable from us, then automatically the price is coming up. So that's why I'll tell you right now the demand is huge outside the state. That's why most of the vegetable, tomato, potato, and then cabbage is going outside. Maximum. You have seen, I think they have been packing ready. They are packing and sent to outside the state. So even retail also the price is more or less the same now here. What I see, I think you have seen by yourself also. Yeah, see, I'll tell you, we have been identified some regulated market outskirts of the Shillong, in Maoyong, in Upper Shillong, in Latsmith. I just came last few days back that we need some big land to construct a kind of mandi, a kind of godown for the farmers to store the vegetable. That's what we want from the government. That this is going on, and on the process we already submit the proposal to the government to construct this kind of big mandi, big bazaar. I mean, for the benefit of the farmers. Now, actually, see, for wholesale there will be actually now no problem. However, for retail, a little bit problem because of the timing. So once the timing we can adjust with the timing for them, because now retail they have to close by 3 o'clock. But if we can live a little bit of time for them, relax some more time, then they'll be happy. I think we'll see, because see, I'll tell you, because now it's a lockdown and people they cannot come out like normal time. So that's why it's a little bit difficult. Maybe by coming week, it depends on tomorrow cabinet meeting. Because this I have to apprise in the cabinet meeting, I have to discuss in the cabinet meeting tomorrow. Maybe we can relax some more time for them. Then there'll be, I think, no problem.
Leaders of domestic workers belonging to Northeastern Region Domestic Workers Movement Meghalaya region today staged a demonstration at IGP point in Shillong demanding implementation of their rights. These leaders, along with a handful of domestic workers, shouted slogans for implementation of the domestic workers' rights while carrying placards. Speaking to the media, Advocacy Coordinator Wanpanhun Kharsantio said that the domestic workers in Meghalaya have been demanding for their rights for the last 18 years, but the government is yet to implement them. Kharsantio also informed that her organization has written to the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Rajya Sabha member from Shillong W.R. Kharluki, Lok Sabha member from Tura Agatha Sangma to take up this issue with the Government of India.
Nyai baka sorkar kam shimkhia hakaban wanra kita ki ai ki kendon ban ai ke jingeda na kabenta ki bre batre ingre te wilayah nanti khatrasnem hakabaya dei bakadi manla usnem nimi hamadan banbu ekata ka jingdawa na kabenta ki bre batre ingre kiba thambu na prengju ki ki kenthai mo ki re kenthai kiba basa hi ki kun kiba le si bomdan no pershan shu hakayang kasam kini lalaki yang banlay bantray kibai pat kiyang ba kinyo ay kajingni banyo ban persana kiyang kajong najong Te kini kimat jing dawa janman la usnem ngilej ban persengau ka sarkar lada kadai haka jilla lani lada kadai haka center no te show prime minister lani hakibai pak kinong nikmat jangka ying da thau ai ten rei ngi ba ka jing snap kuman ka sarkar ka lawandra ya ka jing jinjar kham tam haka bakum kani ka por na du minchim snam ba kawan shop kani ka clown ba klam ba kadon kani ka lockdown te ki babun na ki brio batring brio ki ladu no eta kam ka jongki ka jing siu ki mio ka pisa ki mio ka jinjar shibu ne ki bakin penya ya ka yin kasam namar ba haba kim dan ka jing yo da ka ai pat kin siu na ka benta ka ba school ka jongki kun ka ba le si ki kun ki khamio ban school ne ka ba school pa ki habang siu bai ka mobile ki haban thiet ki mobile ki baram ki haban le ek ta ka recharge na ba ki kun ki hab shong ya ta online class manu ban yo snow manu ban i kata ka jing e jongki nai ekran ni kata ka school nai ekran ni kata ka jing puli nai ekran ni ki mobile ndai tang ka bam ban min mit mr bru ki ba pli ki sham jing e ba bu na preng jongki hi ki la do no e ka kam ka jongki ki try ki la pun sange e ka kam namar bu na ki shakti ang ma kini ki bru kim dai ba ki try ha ka zu ka zakat tang ba di nei bru ki ya na ka wai ka yeng sha ka wai ka yeng pat ban pendap e la kam ram ka jongki tang kadon kata ka discrimination lani ka jing pet ru ba kila banlong kita ki karya lani kita ki nongra ya ka jingpang mo na kawai ka yeng sha kawai pan.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, today announced that the taxis will be allowed to resume operation from the 24th of this month. Lalu disclosed this after the meeting with the taxi drivers. Speaking to the media, one of the leaders of the taxi driver, Wan Ranbok Jerwa, said that the taxis will be allowed to ply from the 24th of this month, and it was also decided at the meeting with the Deputy Commissioner that 30% of the taxis will be allowed to ply again. He said that the drivers also told the head of the district that vaccination should not be made mandatory for the drivers and that the previous order, which restricts the movement of taxis, should be revoked so that the workers can easily reach their places of work without difficulty.
Bisi kunjur bagi health department Meghalaya ka dia macu doktor ka ida rangkap ni ke sangut ti ke bami hi kalong ba Meghalaya bisi ka man kan kelat nak meni kamai hi nanya kali hadir ka asal terik ti ba kan jingkla ji keliru kalong ba kin sakha Meghalaya bisi intasi sa government ba lakung nu kalong ba 1/3 na ka jingdon jing kali mak kata kalong kabangi ajumut mentasi sekadisi ko sangta kor kumkit passenger pada kan long back arbut sedin marwes mak baru driver te kata ka diga jingi keren mat ni bat hamju ka por pada ngilak tentu ikadisi bahkan revoke mak saya katu ka press statement ke baka na kalian bukti ba ong ba kinu nu tiba kam ai vaksin kinu mlak menang makin ni sangat makin ya bela punya kamai punya tadi te ka turu na kalian bisi kala kubur hi ba ong ba kanang data ka press statement ka padai ka nu ko order te ngir musokman ya ta ba mo kumai lak ransai la kubur hi di situ ba kani tadi bulan tadi kamde kamai mandi kare te kumta hi kadi ka bat sibun ki jingi kran ki dungi golong ba kadi ba kumnu bangin ya thaula ban haknur kom banong ba la plak ban mi ikli di kamai ba mangin ya kamai mo tingla ajumut di si ba la kunu kala di ban sa no ikini ki jingrung ba na kuwi ke Shillong na kuwi ke Jakarta kang tinong bela ngadu tinong bela misteri tinong tray habinu ni kam to fair badan kam li tray na kuwi ke Shillong ru la nya no sumasim no bar kunjuru kitu ki kungi kinong nya kaliru nginum ya sa pendik habangi ya kamai la ngilik kamai na kuwi Shillong ka amar kuma kalong mentahi kalong manang kleng disi ko ngasawok saya kata ka order bah kalau kurkom kasi perkat bah lanjut konwen no ya kini ka order ko bang pomsa menlik na ko itu iya lai jungi hi ka hadu termenta ngimpak sania mo ngimpak sania sama ngi bet ya ke kara jong spring ko kolong ba ada bang bakani kadi ke voluntary mo yang serta lagi sini ngi hap sania spring ko domrom coba long coba kadi ke ying bisa ba ledo ngri tinggi senia ya kan nama aku makalong ni mentah posted dungi mentah taman ai vaksin ru rahab dan kamar thong pisah dem dai ta de kan ni jing thong pisah nak kadon e itu sendan de kum kita ki profit kolong bana kalian kedungi ngim sol tenak tapi thong ya jingim kedungi da itu si 4000 ni pisah idong ki kadai kamram ba pin persu thu fa abi de shoban ai
The UHM central body has come forward to express their concern over the government's notification which made it mandatory for civilians, particularly shopkeepers, to go for vaccination. Regarding the reward money of 10,000 which was offered to all who completed their COVID-19 vaccination, the UHM central body raised the question: on what grounds the authorities offered reward money for those who completed their COVID-19 doses, wherein the honorarium and salaries of teachers, ASHAs, Anganwadi were not given yet.
Vaccine. Hoi, nhim shim day ta kaseng bang yung ikhang, aning ipersya. Nhim shim nhim na manai kuno ka kentin halor yung ani. Lega de bitang si kentin ya ka sarkar ba. Wat pembor kumbang ilap ni ki kubor man hakini kisni. Ba kan jingyo na katuka shti, jingyo ya to notification na po ka office jong deputy commissioner jong ka East Sales. Bala lab bala ui. Ba katuka jing persya jing pembor ing pagba bakin hapan ai vaksin katawat ikinok syong dukan nangnya kali khamtam kali kamai per jong majela ti halo kani kanong rim nangingis ko mapremjur ya kani pangidawan ak sarkar baka ban sim yang no ya kato baka ban pahab yang no nakwe kisti bakot kum ki jingtip ki pangilaya syai pura ba nadu ke Ministry of Health na Delhi baya kani kajing ay vaksin kamday kata kabanong ba kaba ngihap man kabalong mandatory nday katat ay kren kerpang bakalong voluntary
kung mga ada banyo ya kay kaba na kalyang jong deputy commissioner jong ka West Coast Hill District wala ang bangin ay 10,000 tingka lada ya kitug lada ban ay ke injection tika ngahaban bu jingkli hato under which funds fi sanction ita kepisa hato ka sarkar jela kada ban silnot iki ashas hato ka sarkar jela kada ban silnot iki tu ki batay casual workers ki nohika school bat ya kutu kumju shushu ya to kapisa ka bala mang kerpang mencem snam ya to ka ahja cispa tingka ba kasah janam tag nong bala te dena ta daw banga haban ong ba kini ki ay berkhot ka state government kadiban release ya kapisa kadiban mang ya kapisa katkum ka project under the public funds kamni banang bakan mang ya kapisa tingka na kanong funds handai kapisa ka bawan na ha ka sarkar kumjo ba ka sarkar ka pentre kam ya kapisa kadai ka public property kadai ka public funds nagata ka daw kaseng hi ka por ka haban yeng ban bo ya jingkli sya ka sarkar jela lada ka sarkar jela kan haban siu 10,000 tingka ya kita ki ba haban ai vaccine lani kita berde ban ai vaccine kata kamut ka sarkar jela ka de ban admit lupa ki kum kita ki nopang ki bio coronavirus.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills District, Isawanda Lalu, today announced a special scheme called Special Drive to issue ration cards and for providing food grains to the weakest and the vulnerable sections of the society. This purpose of the scheme is to relieve the street dwellers, rag pickers, hawkers, migrant labourers, commercial sex workers and persons with disabilities who do not have ration cards and who have been suffering due to COVID-19 pandemic and lockdown. In relation to this, the leader of Tur, Angela Rangat, expressed gratification and sense of victory for the people who have been fighting for their rights, for the DC has announced to distribute ration cards to the household belonging to the economically weaker sections of the society and to those who were deprived of the ration cards till date.
Takasmi ko on lam atli ki hubor ki ba smutanat ki badai ki jing job jom ki pai ba bat ki ba penpau ba habangi wan lang hakanu kanu ini ok hi usok ka jing job wat lang idang ya khun ya kena khlam bat ki jing ya ki ba bun ndai hapadeng ka kena khlam nia lek ban ya wat ya laki hok bat pikin mau ba mentala a la tayo bangi wan chapi ban ong hato ka nungut na pi ki ba sarkar mencem senam kakular ban ai ka jing kersan ya ki nong balasi ka nun na pi da yo bat ni pet ya kalis ba yo RTI bat nang tungi syam ba bun kam yo lut ne ki dan ba kam yo ai bat ni syam song thai kat badang wan kerteng jong pi ni rang pha ya ki tu kum ki complain sya ka sarkar bat menta ni la yo sa kawe ka jing job kata ka balong bangi dawa nak sarkar ha ka to ka por hi ba ka dei ban bu kanja helpline khanang ba ki tu ki breu ki ba apply mencem snam ba klam mi kerteng ki ba mi kerteng ki ba klam yo ka pisa ki yo ban phone direct sya ka sarkar ban pentep ndai ti shu menta ngok komen ba ni nang ye tap ki complain ndai ka sarkar ru Kalau ai kerpang arteli kini ki phone number mentah. Bat ka ong ba kinu kinong bela ki badan ki grievance ne ki jing mo bat kani ka kentup ru ya ki tu ki badan jing kaliang bak nampak yo ya kani ka pisah ba keluar macam senam pila ban phone hakini ki arteli ki number mo ti ngap hangan ai kini ki number kawai kalong ka landline number 0 lai riu sao r san not iway r sao sakawai pat de ka mobile number kendai lai riu r iway new riu lai riu not pila ban phone hakini ki number hapadeng ka shipho bat sao baji ka po sngitrai bat kinu kijing kum kinong bela kentup ya ketu kejing bumyo bisa mencip senam ngop ha phone bat batai hakini ki number ti sakawai ru pikin mau nya khun ru na benta u khaw rasan ni ong ba kum ka khlam menta khlam yo kan banet kamai shu dengim yo u khaw rasan ngin im kum no ngin bam kum no bat halor kan ne ru ngila pha ki memorandum sarkar ban ong badi ban kmi badi ban ai would you khaw ik tu ki badan ka rasan ndengi tip babon ru kim dan ka rasan ti hakani ru ngila yo ya ka jingjam.
Well, dear viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.